Hello guys, this is my custom slash 4x4 build. This is going to be part 1. I'm going to show you what I've done so far. So as you can see, I have the chassis with everything on it. I got the wheels. They're used, but they work. Got upgraded front springs on the front. I've got the wheelie bar on the back that I'm getting rid of, giving it to my brother for a Stampede. This is 4-wheel drive. I do have a receiver in here. I just don't have my motor. My motor and the ESC, which is coming in the mail. It's a Castle Sidewinder SCT 3800 kV. Here's my body. It's a Ford Raptor SVT body. I think it looks pretty cool on there. So I'm basically going to be updating you on everything I do to this truck in the next videos. For now I have the stock A-arms. Gonna put RPM A-arms on it. Stock steering servo. Might upgrade the Nerf bars to RPM, not sure yet. 54 tooth spur gear, and my pinion gear is a 13 tooth. Alright, thanks for watching.